Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and in today's video, we will be kicking off our new series, What's New in .NET 8 and C# 12. We will take a brief look at the latest updates in .NET 8 and C# 12. If you are interested in learning .NET Core from scratch, check out our dedicated playlist which I will link in the description below. So, .NET 8 is the successor to .NET 7. It will be supported for 3 years as a long-term support LTS release. The .NET 8 development platform was released on November 14, 2023. It was released along with C# 12 and Visual Studio 17.8. Now, let's dive into some key updates as highlighted by Microsoft. So first is .NET Runtime. As per Microsoft, the .NET 8 runtime includes improvement to performance, garbage collection, and the core and extension libraries. It also includes a new globalization mode for mobile apps and new source generator for COM, interop, and configuration building. Next is .NET SDK. Key updates include CLI-based project evaluation, terminal build output, simplified output paths, .NET workload clean command, .NET Publish and .NET Pack assets, .NET Restore security auditing, template engine, source link, source build SDK. Next is C# 12. As per Microsoft, they made improvements around primary constructor, collection expressions, ref read-only parameters, default lambda parameters, alias anytype, inline arrays, experimental attributes, and interceptors. Next is .NET Aspire. .NET Aspire is an opinionated, cloud-ready stack for building observable, production-ready distributed applications. .NET Aspire is delivered through a collection of NuGet packages that handle specific cloud-native concerns and is available in preview for .NET 8. Then we have improvements around ASP.NET Core. ASP.NET Core includes improvements to Blazor, SignalR, minimal APIs, native AOT, Kestrel, and HTTP.sys servers, and authentication and authorization. Next is .NET MAUI. So .NET MAUI includes new functionality for controls, gesture recognizers, Windows F navigation, and platform integration. It also includes some behavior changes and many performance enhancements. Next is Entity Framework Core. Entity Framework Core includes improvement to complex type objects, collections of primitive types, JSON column mapping, raw SQL queries, lazy loading, tracked entity access, model building, math translation, and other features. It also includes a new hierarchy ID type. Next, we have Windows Form. Windows Form includes improvements to data binding, Visual Studio DPI, and High DPI. Button commands are also fully enabled now. And last, we have Windows Presentation Foundation. WPF adds the ability to use hardware acceleration and new open folder dialog control. In this series, we will primarily focus on performance improvement, C# 12 features, and updates related to MVC and console application. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked our content. If you have any queries related to the content of this video, feel free to ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.